we'll guide you through how to make circle mask in CapCut. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Many people search for this tutorial because they want to create creative visual effects using CapCut. The circle mask effect helps highlight specific parts of a video or create stylish overlays. Beginners often look for simple guidance to achieve this effect smoothly without advanced editing skills or complicated tools. First, open Windows on your laptop and wait until the system is fully ready to use. Next, type CapCut in your Windows menu search bar to locate the application quickly. After that, select Open CapCut to launch the program and allow it to load completely. Once the application is open, click Create Project to create a new project and begin editing. Then, click the Import button to bring media files into your project. Import 2 videos that you want to use for this editing process. After importing, drag the first video onto the main timeline so it becomes your base layer. Next, drag the second video onto the overlay track above the main timeline. After placing the second video, click the video overlay to make sure it is selected for editing. Then, go to the menu in the upper right corner of the interface to access more settings. From there, select the video menu to open additional editing options. Next, choose the mask option to begin creating a masking effect. Click Add Mask to apply a mask to the selected overlay video. After that, select the circle shape option from the available mask shapes. Once the circle mask appears, adjust the position of the circle to focus on the specific area you want to highlight. Then, adjust the size of the circle by enlarging or reducing it until it fits your desired area perfectly. After resizing, use the feather feature to smooth the edges of the circle so it blends more naturally with the background. Next, set the overlay duration on the timeline by dragging its edges to match the timing you want. Make sure the overlay appears at the correct moment in the video. Finally, preview the video to see the complete result and ensure the circle mask effect looks smooth and properly aligned with your editing goals. If needed, make small adjustments to improve the final appearance before finishing.